welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing to do for you today. My very first Gillio. I'm so excited. I just ordered it a week ago, and so I'm gonna just open it up right now. I ordered the personal wide rings, Compagna, Epoca Lotus, Epoca Lotus. I'm trying to learn how to pronounce that correctly. Okay, here we go. The box is a little bit big, so my camera, I have to kind of move it a little bit. Okay, there it is. All right, there she is. Beautiful box. Gorgeous. Okay. Beautiful dust bag. All right, and here she is. Just gorgeous. It's really soft. Love the size here. Let me move the box. It's just what I expected. It's beautiful. I don't know if you can see the texture on it. But what I normally do in my videos is I measure for you. This is personal wide. So it measures about 6.5 across on the outside and 7.5 down. So you can kind of get an idea. Let's open it up. I've got all these loose pieces in here, kind of. I'm going to take them out because I don't need them. Okay. This symbol is the only one that proudly guarantees vegetable tanned leather in Tuscany. Okay. And the Gillio little tag. You can see, when we move this, you can see how beautiful that is. Just gorgeous. Very important. Open the rings correctly. Ah, okay. So it's telling me to open them here. There we go. I think this is called a 5-page. I learned that. That's all new to me, but it's gorgeous. Really nice quality product. The pockets back here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 8 slip-in pockets, secretarial pocket. And the front with this zip here opens nicely, easily. Zip pouch all the way in. And another pocket here. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. And it came with a pen. And I wanted to get a gold pen to match my gold rings. These are 30mm gold rings. By the way, Kraus. I wanted to order the gold pen, but they didn't have it as an option. So I got the silver one. So I'm excited to try that out. Looks beautiful. So I'm not sure. There we go. But I think it's okay because I think there's other, see, this is silver. I don't know if there's anything else on here that's silver, but right here. So there's a couple pieces on that are silver, so I think it looks okay. Anyway, love, love, love this beautiful quality. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I just wanted to do this unboxing. It's my very first Gillio. I couldn't be happier. I can't wait to get it set up. I will do a flip through for you once it is set up. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.